Represent the following data using a box and whiskers plot. Once again, exclude the median when computing the quartiles. And they gave us a bunch of data points. And it says if it helps, you might drag the numbers around, which I will do because that will be useful. And they say the order isn't checked, and that's because I'm doing this on Khan Academy exercises. Up here in the top right where you can't see, there's actually a check answer. So I encourage you to use the exercises yourself. But let's just use this as an example. So the first thing, if I'm going to do a box and whiskers, I'm going to order these numbers. So let me order these numbers from least to greatest. So let's see, there is a 1 here. And we've got some 2s. We've got some 2s here. And some 3s. Some 3s. Some 4. I have 1 4. Then 5s. I have a 6. I have a 7. I have a couple of 8s. And I have a 10. So there you go. I have ordered these numbers from least to greatest. And now, well, just like that, I can plot the whiskers because I see the range. My lowest number is 1. So my lowest number is 1. My largest number is 10. So the whiskers help me visualize the range. Now let me think about what the median of my data set is. So my median here is going to be, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 numbers. Since I have an even number of numbers, the middle 2 numbers are going to help define my median because there's no one middle number. I might say this number right over here, this 4, but notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 above it, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 below it. Same thing would have been true for this 5. So this 4 and 5, the middle is actually in between these two. So when you have an even number of numbers like this, you take the middle 2 numbers, this 4 and this 5, and you take the mean of the two. So the mean of 4 and 5 is going to be 4.5. So that's going to be the median of our entire data set, 4.5. 4.5. And now I want to figure out the median of the bottom half of numbers and the top half of numbers. And here they say exclude the median. Of course I'm going to exclude the median. It's not even included in our data points right here because our median is 4.5. So now let's take this bottom half of numbers. Let's take this bottom half of numbers right over here and find the middle. So this is a bottom 7 numbers. And so the median of those is going to be the one that has 3 on either side. So it's going to be this 2 right over here. So that right over there is kind of the left boundary of our box. And then for the right boundary, we need to figure out the middle of our top half of numbers. Remember, 4 and 5 were our middle 2 numbers. Our median is right in between at 4.5. So our top half of numbers starts at this 5 and goes to this 10. 7 numbers. The middle one's going to have 3 on both sides. The 7 has 3 to the left. Remember, of the top half, and 3 to the right. And so the 7 is I guess you could say, the right side of our box. And we're done. We've constructed our box and whiskers plot, which helps us visualize the entire range, but also, you could say, roughly the middle half of our numbers.